It's often difficult for an attorney to provide specific information at your initial meeting. It can certainly be even more difficult trying to predict what a specific outcome will be for your potential divorce proceedings. But there are some common questions that you can ask your potential attorney or an attorney you're interviewing when you are seeking attorney services for your potential divorce. Some of those common questions include asking your potential attorney what type of experience they have specifically in family law. How much of their practice is devoted to family law? Do they provide an array of services, family law, personal injury, criminal defense, business transactions, wills and estates? Or are they more mainly focused on a couple of primary areas of practice where they are devoting a significant or substantial amount of time to practicing in family law? You're going to want to address with any attorney that you're interviewing if they have any time constraints for contacting them. You may find during your divorce as it proceeds, there are times that you would have to contact your attorney in non-business hours. It's important to address those issues at the very beginning should there be an emergency arise. Identify what would your attorney or your potential attorney consider an emergency. How long would an expected response take were there an emergency? Another important question to ask any attorney that you're interviewing while searching for an attorney to provide you services is, will the attorney be primarily responsible for handling your case? Will that attorney assign tasks and duties to another attorney or an associate within the office? Or will that attorney be handling your case and be the primary person that you do communicate with throughout divorce proceedings? Another important question is whether or not the attorney has knowledgeable staff in the office to assist you when the attorney is not available. Having professional staff can be a very cost-effective way to continue communication. They can often answer questions where an attorney's input is not absolutely necessary and can communicate to the attorney for you in a more cost-effective manner. Another very important issue that you're going to want to address with any attorney that you're interviewing is the type of communication that they prefer. Is that going to be the type of communication that works well for you? For instance, some attorneys do not prefer to communicate via email. They do not prefer to communicate via text message. They prefer only telephone contact. If you are someone who relies primarily on another form of communication, you want to ensure that your attorney is also okay with communicating with you in that same form. Another piece that's important when interviewing your attorneys is to determine how many times the attorney will be meeting with you. Is there a specific number of times? Do they limit it to one meeting? Oftentimes, again, this can be very difficult to predict at the onset, but you do want to ensure that any attorney that you are looking to provide you with services is available when you're going to need them. Another very important question is to ask this attorney about the divorce process. They should be able to provide you with a specific breakdown of the process, what to expect from beginning to end in a relatively clear fashion. For more information about what to expect during the divorce process in Michigan, you can review our connected video titled "The Divorce Process in Michigan Explained."